looking for fun and feeling groovy. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, feeling groovy. Hello lamppost, well, what you knowin'? I come to watch your flowers growing. Ain't you got no rhymes for me? Do it, do, feeling groovy. Ba-da-da-da-da-da, feeling groovy. I got no deeds to do, no promises to keep. I'm dappled and drowsy and ready to sleep. Let the morning time drop all its petals on me. Life, I love you, all is groovy. Old friends, sat on their park bench like bookends. A newspaper blown through the grass falls on the round toes of the high shoes of the old friend. Winter companions, the old men, lost in their overcoats, waiting for the sun. The sounds of the city sifting through trees settles like dust on the shoulders of the old friends. Can you imagine us years from today, sharing a park bench quietly? How terribly strange to be 70. Old friends, memory brushes the same years, silently sharing the same fear. Time it was, and what a time it was, a time of innocence, a time of confidences. Long ago it must be, I have a photograph. Preserve your memories, they're all that's left you. That's Stevie Gale on drums. I'm just a poor boy, and my story's seldom told. I've squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jests, till the man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. When I left my home and my family, I was no